It's not the original size chicks song. You're up and on the phone for your next song. You know around but you never plan normal and me your wife me know what side this position. And a summertime. I saw them, well, one right there. Black over there. I'm at Bryan Park. Just got off work and I'm like, let me come over here for a little bit. I want to see the Christmas tree because I never see it lit up, so I want to see the Christmas tree. But look at these little thingies. I don't know what to call them. But they're out here selling jewelry at a jewelry place over there. Got one right here. But I'm about to go see the Christmas tree real quick. Then I came over here already. I don't want to. Let me go this way. Look at baby things. Oh, this is so nice. Look at the plants. And stuff. Oh, this is cute. That's cute. I don't know what it is. It's cute. It's cold. Oh, there goes the Christmas tree. I'm showing y'all all of this already. I'm not doing it again. People's always over here. It's Christmas time. This is what people do in New York City.
Literally like a real Christmas tree. Look, they got Christmas tree. Oh, I have to walk that way. What's not taking a picture? Walk around.
I never came here when the tree was up, so I'm back over here again for a little bit. And they have these little too. They have the cozy igloos. I need to come here. I like this. It's so cute. Look, there's people inside. Like a little date thingy. They got some at the top. So nice.
It's really freezing out here.
Like, what is this? What do you call this thing again? I don't remember. I think it's ping pong. Got the table right here. It's like after 5. I hate that it gets so dark after 5. But I'm going home. I'm on break. It is 3 o'clock. Don't watch my phone. Anyways, it's freezing out here. I feel like winter is creeping up on us, yo. Today is Tuesday, 21st. I need to finish this video, but damn. It's not cold. It's 41 degrees out here. Yesterday was a little chillier than today. So, but I'm about to go. I'm on 5th Avenue. I'm about to walk to the Nike store and see. Look at the Van store, guys. Look at the Van store. Vans. And then got the UGG store right here. I was going to the UGG store too, you know. You know what? I'm gonna go because I went in the other day and I saw the shoe that I wanted. Yeah, I'm gonna go because I was trying to go to the Nike store. Oh shit, there's a line. It's a fucking line to go in the UGG store, bro. Oh, hell no. I see that line. I can't see the people in the way. Yeah, so it's a line to go in the UGG store. Like, I guess when I come back, because I'm not doing that right now. Okay, I'm gonna get hit. Got jerseys and stuff in there. Yeah, I have 4-hour break, so I'm gonna be power walking. What if I got told? I'm gonna be power walking. I never went on one of these things. I'm gonna do it too. One of these days, I'm going to do it. A little close up of the NBA store. But yeah, I ain't going in there. I don't care for basketball. I like LeBron James, but that's about it. I don't care for basketball. UGG, Vans, Fablo, Walgreens. What is that? Chase. And I'm gonna see crowded New York City. All the way. And we got Barnes & Noble. I'm at Power Walk. I'm at 46th Street. I think the Nike store is at 50 something. Like 56, 57. I gotta hurry up. That's a nice design. It's so nice. This hoodie is so. This little sweater is nice. What's the back? It's like $55. Upstairs. Oh, go upstairs. This design is nice. Cute. This one's what I off. All that is nice. Like, oh, just downstairs. Ooh, y'all see me? It's nice in here though. Very nice. And now I'm big TV. That's so cute. Look at this big Puma shoe. It's so nice. Alright, I'm gonna leave. I'm out here. I'm outside. Alright, I'm out of here. Nice. This is my first time in the Puma store. This lady right here. was fire. Morning, Grandma. What these stuff are? Avenue store. I ain't going in there. Alright, I'm at 50th Street. I have no room. This is dope. This is nice. Check out the black girl over there. Yes, sis. Snap fingers. This is what I do on my break. What is going on over here? It's so busy. This avenue is packed. Look at this. So, I have the night vlog I need to post. I need to post a night vlog before I post it. Oh, it's right there. Nike store is right there. It's right there. Not nice. But the Nike store is right there next to Zara. So I'm good. I thought it was at 57th Street, but thank God I ain't gotta walk that far. I'm buildings. Look how crowded it is down here. It's very crowded. Victoria's Secret. This is daytime. Still have the nighttime vlog to post. I'm trying to go to the night store. Collect your check from Friday morning. Punches. It's thinking yummy.
I want to get these with some Puma, but the black one. This one's $100. Online is.
I'm going back to work because I don't see nothing I like in here. The price, a lot of prices. So yeah, I ain't find shit in the Nike store for Kimani because the friggin' the shoe that I want to get him is on sale online, so I'm gonna get it online. But I just wanted to come down here and see if they had it. They have the green one, but they don't even have black in it, so I'm just gonna get it offline. I'll be coming down here and getting this thing again. I need to post this video. I have this video. I gotta post it for y'all. I have all this already. Right here. Look at Christmas tree, Rockefeller Center.
Next year we'll get one.
look at this. I told y'all to be filming them off because of my job. Y'all ain't believe me, but look at this. If y'all ain't believe me. They about to, oh, it's lit. See the date? See the date? From 4 a.m. to, hopefully when I get off work, this will be. It's litty because I'm gonna be there. I'm trying to see Mariska. I just say something like that. I can't pronounce her name, but y'all know what I'm talking about.